how to use dictation on MacBook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to type with your voice instead of your keyboard? In this video, I'll show you how to enable and use dictation on your MacBook. So you need to go to your system settings and then you'll need to search for dictation. So you can go to the search bar and then search for dictation and then just tap on it. So you can toggle on the dictation switch. So enable it and then choose the language of your choice. You can choose the microphone source. You can use the shortcut like there are various shortcuts that you can choose from. So I will choose press Control key twice, and you can also toggle on auto punctuation. So now when I tap on the Control button twice, you can see that dictation has been turned on, and then you will need to speak and then open up some like Word file document, and it will automatically like enter your dictation without you needing to type. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.